My magic mousse. It's magic because you cannot believe that something so simple is so amazing and decadent at the same time. This has four ingredients. Bananas, ripe avocados, dark cocoa powder, and maple syrup. That's it, okay?
Avocado.
And we're gonna peel a banana the right way.
That's how most primates do it, you know, if you watch them.
This way.
They always peel it that way.
Take that out. Bananas in the blender here. We're just gonna slice it up. That goes in. You want very ripe bananas and very ripe avocado. But what I do is I open up the avocado.
Careful.
And I put it, right away when I open it, I put it on the board. Ooh. For extra protection, I rub the board with lemon. Just like that.
Okay.
And so you're gonna have enough time to go about your business and those won't move. Bananas in here. We're gonna go in with the avocado. See how nice that is? Oh.
You know what? Peak avocado season is actually from January to March, so we're right in the pocket right now. It's a good time to make this magic mousse.
There's not enough. I have avocados in our house all the time. It's just one of those things you can grab for guac.
Well, when you buy the bag, too, you got two that are like a couple days past the prime.
Yeah, they grow up every day. Another batch grows up. And
you got to throw them out of the house, right?
Maple syrup.
Oh, that was maple syrup.
Cocoa powder.
I thought that was, you could probably use agave or something, right? Honey, maybe?
Magic. It's done.
That's it? That's what's magic about it. Don't you have to stir and make the thing?
You scrape it down. You can't over-whip this. It's not possible.
I'm not being skeptical here, Jeffers. Is this going to be a mousse-like texture or more of like a pudding texture?
I don't think you're going to have an issue with it. I really don't. I think that...
I mean, it's going to be mousse, right? I love mousse.
We're going to put it... Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take it out. We're going to put it into the... these containers here, and we're going to put it in the fridge a couple hours to set up.
Okay.
Okay? But look at that. Now, you could whip cream and fold it, but why?
That looks like mousse.
It's really beautiful.
I think avocado is kind
That's
of
the magic.
the
avocado.
Unsung dessert hero. You can really sneak an avocado in a few places because it has that creamy richness without having dairy.
We have served this. We have fun. We serve this with guests at my house. We don't tell them what it is.
Guess the dessert. Come on, that's good.
So we're gonna put this in the fridge like 30 minutes to an hour, all right? Oh, look at this. You could put whipped cream on this. You could put coconut whipped cream on this.
I love the coconut whipped cream. This would be a good time to pull that out, yeah.
You know, just ice cream, I wouldn't do that. It's too heavy, but I like to put some raspberries.
But this is a weeknight dessert. I mean, this shouldn't, you shouldn't go all in on the weeknight dessert. It should be a...
Absolutely.
What was that? Of course.
A little secret I like to use, what I like to do is put some raspberries on this, and I like to put a little cracked pink peppercorn, because I think the taste...
Very weeknight.
There it goes. He had to, right just when you thought.
You know, Geoffrey, we literally had a 4-ingredient dessert that could easily be made, and then you just bust out the pink peppercorns.
And this is part of the magic, was that little extra added touch. So, there is your magic mousse. Look how beautiful that is.
Tasty. Gorgeous.
Huh?
Beautiful.
It takes nothing, and good for you.
That's what's so upsetting.
Look at the layers, too, with just the dolloping on there. It's beautiful.
And there you have it. It's velvety, it's chocolatey. We made it in minutes.